So welcome. This today is all about Kasha effects, and this is having this kind of a wonderful kind of appearance in your video tutorials. So very nice things. Also has Kasha effects is very good process as you see like this ones, and you may enjoy your video process. So that's the very important things about effects and Camtasia. That's really very nice that you need to know about it. So hello guys, welcome. This is Paul Volapol. In this video I'm going to take you through Camtasia effects. Camtasia effects is very nice indeed to enhance your video in Camtasia recording, where it involves such functions like highlight, spotlight, magnifier, and also a click sound and more kind of effects which are there. And this Camtasia effects is really very good. Having your videos having such kind of looks like a Camtasia highlight, a magnifier, a spotlight, they're really good for your project. So if you're new to this project, in this video, please do me a favor, subscribe, like, comment down below, especially your concerns about this Camtasia effects and how you're using it in Camtasia 9. Here you will also have this site here waiting for that left click cursor, which is very important in the project, to involve all those kind of thing here. Then we have here the right click cursor effects also. So those are very good in the process if you want to make YouTube videos, as special as tutorials is concerned. And that's why Camtasia comes in as a best screen recording software, that if you really want to make good tutorials. Let's see how we apply this Camtasia 9. So I have a project which I've already put here, a video clip which I've recorded with a screen record, and mostly this video does mostly about showing how to use a record system here. I'm going to apply the Camtasia effects and we see how they function. So if you want to apply this, we're going to look at the mouse, because this Camtasia effects you cannot apply it when you're recording or during the recording process. You will come and apply it in the editing process. As you're seeing here, this is the dashboard of my Camtasia, to which I have to show you the whole process here. If you want to apply Camtasia, like first we start with the spotlight. How do you apply spotlights in this? You see that it involves a lot of things in the process. So to apply it, we first have to drag it to the timeline and also the video clip. We have to put it there. And you have seen there is something here that have already happened, to which I need to magnify the size so that you can see whatever has happened here. Yeah, before there was nothing, but now we see that there is something like this. So when we look at this, let's say we delete it out, so there was nothing, and after a moment when we drag it into the timeline, then there's some changes here. So, and here you can adjust the size of the cursor highlights. And here when we look at this side here, we see that you can maybe make the softness, the opacity, that mostly looks at how a bit transparent it could look. And then we'll look at the size here. You can play around with it, or what kind of size do you want, so that maybe to focus on a particular side, or what you want to put emphasis on. Changing of the colors, you can maybe now let's say I want a blue color to appear or something. Yeah, there's a light blue here, and consider this. So let's make it to be a dark one. So here you can play around with it, whatever kind of color you want, and you will see the process that something will happen, and we'll just have a look at how it is. effects, which are very good in the other process. Then here you see this the cursor effects. You can also add this, the prefix. You can just play around with it, try this, try that, because as video editing is a process, to see which one will work for you, and that's it. So please just tell me, that you've been doing your video production, which one do you think is necessary for you to apply it. But the major ones I look at is the spotlight, the magnifier, because you need to see that some concentration or focusing on particular area. They are very good in the process. So I think that's mostly about it. And please, if you have anything, just please give me a comment down below what you think about this video, and particularly what you want me to produce in the next video again. So please, I'm going to see you soon in the next video. Please just do me a favor once again, like, subscribe to this channel, and give me a big thumbs up. That's it, and then we're going to see you soon.